Oh, it's so good. Oh my god.
There's more.
There's more here,
There's
JJ.
a lot.
Becca, I want you to rate me now. 1 to 10. Come now, now. It's another spring roll, but it's made of red beans.
Red bean. And then you add sugar. Can I put my hand in there?
Yes. It's a red bean stick. There should be sugar inside there, but the beans is too sweet already. That's why I didn't put.
Why is the red bean sweet? Is it really sweet?
No, I got the ready-made already. But it should have been, my recipe should be green mung that I have to cook with something, but that is very sweet.
It is sweet.
Yeah.
Lovely. It's delicious, you know.
Yeah. Too sweet, huh?
How you turn something that we would cook into a curry into a dessert.
Always.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Priya. Here's another spring roll, but with red beans inside it.
Red bean.
Okay.
It's very soft. Very sweet.
It has the consistency of bean.
Or maybe it's too sweet, eh?
No, it's just like it's just like not overly sweet. It's just like I normally go for the more savory one, but this is different.
Yeah, you don't have that here.
No, we don't have sweet
Sweet
version
spring
of spring roll.
Oh yeah.
This is lovely. I love it.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Michelle. Okay, see you next week. There's another spring roll.
It's a surprise.
Another
surprise.
spring roll. Huh? Can you guess what's inside there?
Banana.
No, not banana. It's a red bean.
Red bean.
Yes, red beans.
Smell it. Smell that banana.
Isn't it too sweet?
No. Where's the condensed milk?
Ah. Oh my god.
There's more.
There's more here,
There's
Jaden.
a lot.
Jaden. Why you're stealing also?
There's a
Better.
lot.
You want more, Jaden?
But they even finish it.
Oh my gosh. Alright, thank you, ladies.
Jaden.
Hey, Jaden.
Oh, please.
You can have more
There's a
here,
2-minute
Jaden.
rule. 2-second rule.
2 seconds.
If it hits the floor and it's 2 seconds, you eat it again.
2-second rule and the 5-second rule.
5-second rule is in the kitchen.
Okay, isa pa, Jaden.
One more, Jaden.
There.
You, Lady D?
Don't try now. I did feed her. I promise you I'll feed her.
No.
This is
She
very
just
different.
like it. Yeah, that's different, huh?
Red beans.
Red bean paste.
Filipinos.
Yeah.
It's yeah, but I got that from Chinese.
Oh,
It's a Chinese Filipino.
I don't even know anymore.
Thank you.
Olden day dog.
Oh, the day dog.
Okay, thank you, ladies.
Thank you, my darlings. That was lovely.
Okay.
That was really lovely.
Pudding time, ladies.
It's all mine.
No, don't be greedy now.
Oh, there's not a lot left. Of one there.
Hey, there you go again, Becca. Come on, Becca. No,
It's long.
Becca, it's very long.
Put it away. Savor. Savory.
Savor the flavor.
Savory. Is this really a Filipino thing or is it Chinese?
It is a Filipino thing.
I didn't know that.
Turones de Monggo or Turones de Monggo.
You can't even talk. Enjoy the food. It's delicious. I like the different.
Becca, I want you to rate me now. 1 to 10. Come now, now. There you go. Can't even talk. It's like someone's gonna grab the food. Oh my gosh.
I like the different texture.
It's not too sweet.
If you had put sugar on this, it will be diabetes. Again.
When I watch in YouTube, they all putting caramelized sugar.
I don't think they so. This is too much already.
I know, that's why I didn't put sugar in. Condensed milk ka dyan.
But the red bean taste already makes the spring rolls sweet. So you don't need the sugar.
How is it, Becca?
I'm happy about it. Give a thumbs up about it. I'm happy. You're happy?
Isa pa ka dyan.
Probably. Piece of practice.
You have the container there, oh. Sabor the flavor.
No. I love it.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Alright, thank you, ladies. Kyle, pudding time.
That's my favorite thing to hear.
Come.
Also, that looked very scary.
Come.
I'm seeing.
What's scary? What you
looks-
talking about?
I can see the inside and it's black.
Okay, make a guess. What's that? It's kind of a sweet roll.
Chocolate?
No, just eat. You're very good in
Oh my God.
naming the ingredients. So what is that?
That's that bean.
Yes, it's a red beans.
Oh, it's so good. Wow. Listen.
They didn't hear anything.
Wait.
Again,
Again.
you like it? It's not too sweet.
Oh
Okay.
my God. Look at that. It's so full. Listen here. Let's wait for them to stop baking. Okay.
Just get another one, Kyle.
Oh.
Oh, it's coming out now. Yeah. So that is a red bean stick, Kyle.
It's like Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
But it's very good.
Crunchy, yeah?
Pizza pa?
Isa pa. Then, or maybe we can hear your crunchiness now.
Oh, and there's sugar on top.
No, not really. I didn't put sugar. It should be, there should be a caramelized sugar, but the beans is too sweet already.
Oh.
There you go. Oh, bite. There you go. First time.
I've had this in a roti.
Oh, yes.
That's how I
Yes.
knew what it was. But having it with lumpia is like another thing. It's so good. Because this is like crunchy and it has a different flavor.
Yes.
I can cry. Healthy dessert.
Really?
Yeah, beans can't be so bad.
Yeah, but it's too sweet.
Yeah, but it's natural sweet.
Wow. I heard it.
It shocks me how you make these so crunchy.
What do you call that?
A 10 out of 10.
Yeah, when you're doing that.
Finger licking good.
One more. Meron pa, oh. I'm gonna give some for his dad and the brother. There you go. Ayan, nakatatlo siya. He likes it, guys. Turones de Monggo. That's what we call it.
What do you call it?
Turones de Monggo. Look at the bird at the back. Turones de Monggo.
Turones
De Monggo.
de Monggo.
In English, red bean stick.
Oh, because it's like a stick.
Yes.
And I like this bean. It's very soft, but it's like grainy. It has this texture to it that's like almost like mud.
Mud.
Like it's very soft and squishy. Mud's the right word.
Mud.
Brown like mud too.
There you go. Thank you, Kyle.
Thank you. That was so
Yeah, effort paid off.
good. Very much.
All right, Kyle. Hope to see you again next week, or hope to see you in the market.
Hope so as well.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. I promise we're not gonna miss Kyle, even though he's not gonna go to market. I will come see him.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Bye, Kyle. All right, sir. A spring roll with red beans.
Go for it. Good dessert.
Too sweet for you? It's okay.
Let me say it's a bean inside.
Mm.
No time it says where's a bean.
No, it's a red bean paste, that one. That's why.
Very nice. I normally make baked beans with sugar.
Oh.
It tastes very nice.
Mm.
Just
Thank you.
be nice with a chocolate toast or something.
Oh, that's too sweet already. No, it should have been coated with sugar, but I didn't do it because the thing inside is sweet.
No, it's perfect.
All right. Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
10 on 10 for this, huh?
Wow.
You would have known beans to taste like this.
Thank you, sir.